Let's talk about percentages. The word percent literally translates to per 100 or out of 100. And most of our percentage problems are going to be done using one real formula here. You can say is over of equals the percent over 100. So let's look at an example here where we would be finding the part. We might say, what is 35% of 120? Now the first thing to do is identify the variables. We want the is. We want to find 35% of 120. So what we can do here is I'm going to take my 120. If I have 35%, how can I write that as a decimal? All we have to do is take the number and we're going to move the decimal 2 points from where it is right now. So 35% is really 0.35. So all we have to do is take 120 and multiply it by 0.35. And once we do 120 times 0.35, we see that we get 42. And does 42 make sense as 35% of 120? How could we test this? All we have to do is work it backwards. We divide that 42 by 120, and we're going to be left with a nice, easy 0.35, the same place we started. So 35% of 120 is 42. Now let's work on finding the percent. We might be asked, 18 is what percent of 72? The first thing to do is take our 18, and we're going to divide that by our 72. We're going to get 0.25. Same way we did it, we're just going to work it backwards. Instead of moving the decimal 2 to the left, we're going to move it 2 to the right, and we'll finish out with 25%. So we see that 18 is 25% of 72. Now, we might say 45 is 30% of what number? Here's how we could do it. Let's take our 45, and we know this equals 0.3 or 30% of another number, x. But I don't know what that other number is. So what we could do here to find x, or that other number, is divide each side of the equation here by our 0.3. And when we do 45 divided by 0.3, we're going to receive 150. Let's check here. We'll take our 45 now, and we'll divide 45 by 150, and we're going to get 0.3 or 30%.